nice, boys. Breaking them.
Turn it all the way down.
Down. I hit that one. Don't you think?
Shoot it again. Shoot it again. Get after it.
Here, I'm gonna have to go after it. I hit that one. Don't you think? Got him that time.
Got it?
I'm pretty sure. Ah. No, that was a teal. Yeah, I did you hit that or me? No, it's not. What? No. Where'd you? Come on, baby. Where'd you go?
Dude, it swam way up in there.
Guys, I just found my bird. But my dad said there's more birds coming. Gosh, where are they? Shoot my wounded one! Oh! My wounded one's still going. My wounded one's still going. Dude, we both hit one. Sick. I got that all on video. No, those were mallards. Woo, woo, woo. And I found my bird over here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got that on video, baby. Shoot my wounded one! Woo-hoo-hoo! Guys, that's a hen green wing right there for you. Woo, doggy. Hen green wing teal. We just shot 2 mallards. Hopefully we can retrieve them. Hopefully y'all seen that. They were in the sun a little bit, but what are they, gadwall? Sweet, maybe they're gadwall. Hopefully y'all could see that because it was in the sun a little bit, but I think y'all could. All right, stay tuned. What are they? Oh, gadwall have a weird quack. Hey, there's one back there. All right, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna go retrieve these birds. Hopefully we'll be shooting some more pretty soon. Stay tuned. I'm right there. Right here, boys. I hit that one. Dad, I just nailed this one. Yep, he's dead right there. He's still alive.
No, but are you sure you hit it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. All right, guys, so we just hit another green wing teal. I think it's a, I got it on video so we can look, but I think it's a green wing teal drake. Looks like. Oh, he's still alive. Hold on. Dad, I'm gonna have to shoot him again. He's still alive. Maybe I can grab a hold of him. Got him that time. All right, boys, he's dead now. So let's go pick up green wing teal. We've got a gadwall back there in the cattails. Oh, that is a pretty some gun. Oh, I think I paralyzed him. He can't even move. Well, guys, it's a green winged teal, Drake. Let me go try to find my gadwall. Dude, did you see me cuff that son of a gun? All right, guys, we couldn't find my gadwall. I think he landed way back in those cattails right there. Oh, there's one up there. Yeah, we can't find him, but I've shot in 3 so far. My dad shot in 1, but hopefully we can kill these birds tonight. Stay tuned. Hey, Dad, there's some to your right. Dude, I rolled that one. I rolled that one, baby. Dude, I'm killing now. Dude, I rolled that one. I am killing. Yes, sir. Dad, shoot mine. Shoot mine. Oh, got him. I'll go get him. Yeah, he's dead. Dude, I rolled that one. Did you see that? Ooh. All right, guys. I have 4 ducks already. Well, that was sick. Those look like ringnecks. Just look for him. He's probably in there. I dropped mine. I'm pretty sure those are ringnecks they look like. Oh, please, guys. Holy crap. Oh, jeez, what? Oh, that's it. Dang, guys. This is sweet. All right. Sweet. Oh, so wait, oh, dang. Dude, that was sick. Well, looky here, guys. We got ourselves a nice diver duck. Ring neck right here. Looks like. Look at that. Nice Drake ring neck. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's get back and let's shoot some more. All right, guys. So I've got a hen gadwall. I've got a drake, a really pretty drake teal. I've got a hen teal, green wings actually, hen teal, and then I've got a ring neck. This is actually a diver duck. The rest of them are puddle ducks, but this is actually a diver. Actually a pretty dang good looking drake ring neck. So we have 20 more minutes left until shooting time's over. Hopefully we can smash them today, boys. Right in her face, boys, right in her face. Well, guys, we've got a female gadwall. We've got a drake green winged teal. We've got a ring neck. We've got a female teal. We've got 2 dead as crap drake mallards out there. So let me pick these up and I'll show you the rest of our bag limit.